counting his cheddar out and about in the fucking gas station, bro. This motherfucker raised in a barn, didn't nobody tell him. You can't be flashing your shit like that.
I dare, motherfucker. I'm gonna try something.
Well, fuck for you. Uh-oh. Well, so, it's the yard dogs here. Coming at you with another video. Was pulling up to buy a truck. It went really well. And super well. It went super well. So, we're buying 2 more cars with it. So we're running back right now to get some more cash. It was $500 for the truck. It's got a crate motor in it. It's not really a bad deal. It's got a little kit and some shit on it. And well, apparently we didn't bring enough cheddar, so we're on our way to get some more cash.
Yeah, spend money, make money. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but dude's kind of giving us a hell of a deal on it, so we will see how it goes. Hopefully it's not a process pulling these bitches out, but I don't really think so. So,
even so,
totally out of focus. Yeah, that's cool.
Even so, for the price, put in a little bit of work, a little bit of elbow grease, do work.
Oh yeah, yeah, we'll get it. So we'll hit y'all back. About to head back, get these trucks. Jake's calling the man now.
Hey, we're headed back that way now. We stopped and grabbed a bite to eat. I just don't know how high the bottle jack goes.
Let's do that then. Fuck it. Damn, bro, how many you tightening?
Enough.
6 on both sides.
All 8.
All 8. Bro, that's crazy. Like, I don't know about no 8.
What you mean by 8?
Where the fuck was we just at? Which would be fucking awesome. Fuck. I heard a lot. Whew. Well. Sheesh. What a process. Oh yeah, that's what she needed right there. That's what she needed. Lock in that hub, son. 250 wasn't 250 in for a second. They get that built for tough. Hell yeah. Made it back to the shop. Back to the rig with the new setup. Look at that bitch. Let's check her out. A little squeaky on the open. But no, it's not a bad jig. She real low on the miles. I know you see that there. 339. Look at that. Interior's clean. Man, perfect, honestly. Pop this hood. Oops. There we go. Look at that. 350 crate, son. Y'all ain't even ready for what's about to happen.
We're gonna put it right here, and then tomorrow we'll pull the motor. We'll drop it here. Take that forklift, get up under the front of it, and push her on into the shop.
That's cool.
So,
fuck it, drive this bitch out from underneath this motherfucker. Let's just see what happens. What's the worst that could happen, genuinely? We get a little metal on metal with this trailer? Like,
He said oopsies.
let's put that parking brake on. Oh, ain't that bad. I was wanting to do it again. My phone didn't even have to fall off. Emma, what the fuck? Rally after rally after rally after rally after rally. Chevy after Chevy after rally after rally.
well, that's all she wrote. It only took all goddamn day, but beyond that, you know what I'm saying?
Well, that's all right.